So I still don't feel well. I still can't really hear, and when I walk I hear booming in my ear. I accidentally blew my nose. I have a habit of closing one side and the other side, so this ear popped. So I still feel bad, so I canceled the friends coming over for dinner because we have dinner at a friend's house Friday, and then Saturday we have a birthday party, and then to try and shop and go cooking and do all this other stuff is, with not feeling well, not doing it. But I'm still trying to clean, people. I moved my table chairs over here, and I am using this thing to scrub the floor. Amazing. If my Nana could see it now that we're not on our hands and knees. I still see some dirty spots I'm gonna have to go over. It's gonna take a few times. And as I'm doing this, I'm noticing, let's see if you can see. Look at dirty. So, when we first got married, I was a clean freak. And then I went the total opposite, and now I was in between. And then now I just let everything go. So I think I'm gonna go back to being a clean freak because I vacuumed twice already. And yesterday I vacuumed 3 times. So, yeah. Making progress, people. Making progress. Of course, I can't stand looking at these dishes that I just washed and the trash. And I can't stand that on top of the refrigerator. I can't stand that teapot right there. Definitely can't stand that mess right there. I don't like this thing. My walls are so bare. And yeah, my daughter made a fort. So I pretty much did the whole floor, scrubbing it and mopping it, except this area right here and all right here. This couch is impossible to move, but I'm gonna have my husband move it so I could sweep and mop under it. That other couch is really heavy, the electric couch. I can move it, but I don't want to, so I'm gonna tell him to move it so I can do the same thing. And then to clean the couches, this is a light colored couch, and you can see like coffee stuff, you know, if you spill coffee or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow, is do those. I did but I'm gonna have to do it again. You can see like right here is brighter, but I'm gonna have to do that a couple of times. And yeah, so scrubbing these couches tomorrow and moving them, and that'll keep me busy. And then I am going to dust all the walls. I read that if you put Dawn and vinegar, that's what you're supposed to clean it. I can't stand the smell of vinegar, so I'm not sure. Do you guys have any tips? Like, what should I use? Whenever we move to a new place, I would wipe down the walls with Pine Sol. I love the way Pine Sol smells, and that seemed fine. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Oh, let me show you. It's not perfect, but it's better. Blah. There it is. I took all that stuff. So I don't need all those dishes, so I just only kept this. I still need to do this. Ugh, I hate that. What the heck? I didn't put this here. I need to go to Dollar Tree and buy those things and put this here. And I'm using this for that stuff. So yeah, I've been cleaning since 9 this morning. I stopped to get my daughter. I stopped and cooked. Stopped and ate. So it is now 3, and I'm pretty much done for the day. I used to kill myself until I was killed myself. I would not finish until I was done with everything. Like normally I would go throughout the trash and can you hear my wheezing? And dry those dishes. I'm not gonna do that. I cleaned enough today. I'll probably put them away after they air dry, but that's it. I don't know why I'm just so upset that I'm not done yet, but I've been sick for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks now. So not bad for being sick and on 3 antibiotics, right? So any tips or tricks, leave down below. I would greatly appreciate it. And if someone wants to sponsor me, like, hello, cleaning products, organization stuff, cleaning tools. I need a vacuum. I need a mop. I need an electric vacuum. An electric mop. A steamer. I'm your girl. I'm your girl. Because I am old and I don't want to be cleaning like I did when I was young, okay? I'm old now. I'm embracing my oldness. Look at. Once again, I'm trying to let my grays grow, but I can't stand it. But I like this streak, and I'm actually digging the way the top looks, but I can't stand this color, this brass color. What the heck? See, I put everything away other than that. I did more laundry. And you could tell that I hate laundry, right? But we ate dinner, I cleaned the table, and I vacuumed again. There's my awful bedroom. I couldn't deal so much with this. You can't even tell, but I put a heater in the garage. I put the Christmas thing in the garage. And I don't even know what I came in the office for. But look at this. Already. Remember how I had the floor? So I'm going to clean the floor. And because I can't stand this stuff right here and I have to go through it, I'm going to put this stuff in here. This is going to be my most challenging room. So I'm going to do that right now. It is, let's see what time it is. 7:49. My husband should be gone to church for about another hour, depending on how my daughter, how long she plays. I recorded on my podcast. I use a different mic. My podcast is, I had a first season, and it's usually just interviewing women about their life. The first season is about how they came to Christ, just so you can get a background on. The next season, which is coming up, is the issues that they're dealing with, that they've gone through. Some pretty heavy stuff. So I actually just talked. So this is the first kind of episode where I just talk. I'm not showing any visuals. It's just my voice. Lucky them, right? And I still can't hear right, so I don't know how it came out or whatever, but it is what it is, and the topic is growing up Catholic. I am no longer Catholic, but what I learned growing up Catholic, or what I didn't learn, is the question. All right, so let me get to it. We're getting there, people. I'm going to sweep here tomorrow, and I am going to deep mop in here. So I'm going to have to clean this rug over here. A little bit better, but not really, because I just added more stuff to here. I didn't even try and vacuum you. So at least when I sit on my couch now, I don't have that view of that. This is my cajon that I never play because it's too heavy to carry around, and I liked it because You could hear it from the front, but it's too heavy. I'm gonna sell it. It's gonna go bye-bye. Someone else can use it. So it is 8:21. I'm gonna call it a day.